Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display of the Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Realme X2 device. So both phones are having the same kind of display size and same AMOLED panels. And let's check which phone has more saturation and contrast levels. So when I compare side by side. And before starting the video, and also do subscribe to my channel because I'll be doing plenty of comparison reviews on the Redmi Note 10 Lite with the other smartphones as well. So even I have received the Redmi Note 9 as well, so there will be so many videos going to come in the next couple of days, and definitely subscribing to my channel will be very helpful. And if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, live wallpapers, so don't forget to check the playlist for the wallpapers, so you can find very good interesting wallpapers. So trust me friends, all the wallpapers which I review in my channel, they are like worth downloading in your mobile phone, so definitely take a look. And also don't forget to join in the Telegram group as well if you want to have in detail reviews about the camera samples of all the phones in the Telegram group as well. So both will be very helpful for you all in case if you plan to buy the Mi Note 10 Lite. So Mi Note 10 Lite has a curved display, as you can see on both sides. So these are quite different from the normal device, right? Realme X2 phone. And definitely I'll be updating the review of curve display of the Mi Note 10 Lite. Is there any accidental touch issues happening in the phone or not while using? I'll be doing a separate review on that as well. But in this video I'll be just comparing the side by side, the same video I'll be playing, and let's get started with that. So here you can see clearly the both phones are playing the same video and with the full brightness as well. So let me show you side by side. So you can see both phones are having the same kind of notch interface on the top. So whereas in the Mi Note 10 Lite, the good thing is that the notch area is very small. It's like in the Samsung M30s or M31 series. So same kind of teardrop notch. So where in the Realme X2 you can find a little bit of more notch area. So this is one thing which I noticed. And in comparison with the colors, if you ask me, so both phones looking very good, and they are like both kind of close to each other. So even when I'm watching, clearly I can identify, I cannot see any difference between both the screens in terms of color saturation levels. So both are having very good color saturation levels. So even you can see the viewing angles as well. And in the Mi Note 10 Lite, you do get the advantage of having curved edges. So you do feel like watching in a good full screen phone. So that is a good advantage for the Mi Note 10 Lite. So which I am using OnePlus 7 Pro for the past few months, and I've experienced same kind of liking towards the curved phones. So right now you can see both are having full brightness levels and both perform pretty good. So in the display comparison and the saturation levels, I can give both same points, but in the curve area, only the Mi Note 10 Lite is a clear winner. Even it's having the small notch area, that is also another advantage. So right now let me decrease the brightness to 10%, and let's see which phone will be brighter. So same kind of display comparison I'll be doing with plenty of other small phones, or don't forget to check the links in description. So here you can find the Mi Note 10 Lite is slightly higher brightness than the Realme X2 phone. So let me try to decrease to 5% right now. So as you can see in the 5% also, you can clearly see the Note 10 Lite is slightly higher brightness levels. So let me try to decrease to 0, and let's see which phone will be completely dim. So in this case, the Note 10 Lite is completely dim. So even you can see slightly, but in the Realme X2 you can see a little bit. So Note 10 Lite has slight advantage in terms of low dimness when you're watching the videos. But overall, these in terms of the display comparison, both are looking pretty good in the quality. So there's no doubt at all. So these are a few other advantages of having in the Note 10 Lite mobile, having the curved edges. And definitely I'll be doing display comparison with the other smartphones as well. So stay subscribing to my channel. So this will be very helpful for me as well in terms of making new videos every day. So thank you for everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the links in description for the playlist. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.